buy or not to buy? That's really the big question when it comes to the 2020 Mahindra Thar. Today we'll be telling you 5 positives about this vehicle and 5 negatives to help you ascertain whether this car should be your next buy.
Point number 1. The Thar and how it looks. Thar 2020 continues to look every bit as muscular as it always has and has a massive road presence. The round headlights, the DRLs, the fog lights and the hardtop roof on this particular version all come together to give the Thar a menacing appearance. Point number 2. Thar's off-roading capabilities cannot be ignored whatsoever. The Thar has always been renowned as the car that can go anywhere, and in the 2020 version, Mahindra just adds to the abilities of this vehicle to tame any and every wilderness. Point number 3. The main complaint against the Thar has always been that its cabin has been rather bare. Well, not anymore, because Mahindra Thar 2020 now comes with a cabin that's packed to the brim with features. Be it the 7-inch infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, the roof-mounted speakers, the splash resistance controls, or the steering-mounted controls. The Thar now has reinvented itself on the inside. Point number 4. The number of options available to anybody who's interested in buying the Thar are almost limitless. Thar is offered in the LX as well as the AX variant. The LX is oriented more towards the urban lifestyle, while the AX is targeted for absolute off-roading capabilities. Additionally, you get the 2.2-litre M-Hawk diesel engine and the 2-litre M-Stallion petrol engine. Then there are options to choose between a manual 6-speed transmission or an automatic gearbox. Point number 5. The Thar may be at home out in the wild, but it's a very stately car to be in city conditions as well. The drive dynamics in city conditions are planted, reliable, and the Thar now offers a very comfortable and planted everyday ride option. And now let's talk about the 5 negatives of the Thar, starting with point number 1, the back seat. Getting into the second row, at least in this version, is rather difficult. Take a look at this video. For someone who's not fit and for the elderly, the second row seats are avoidable. Point number 2, and sticking with the rear seats, the side windows are large and do allow a lot of light to come in, but they are also fixed. So anybody with a sense of claustrophobia or with motion sickness may not find the rear seats too appealing. Point number 3, and we're still with the rear seats. There is not enough legroom for 3 people sitting next to each other in the rear seats of this particular edition of Mahindra Thar. The wheel arches eat into the space, and while knee room and headroom are more than adequate, the legroom will be a problem, especially on long journeys. Point number 4. While the drive dynamics of the Thar are commendable, the steering tends to shiver a little bit at triple-digit speeds. That's not very reassuring for a car of this size and capability. And that gets us to the final point we have to highlight against the Thar, the brakes. The brakes are just about satisfactory and could have had a little more grip, a little more bite and a little more power, especially useful in high-speed conditions.
So those were the 10 points of the Mahindra Thar that we like to highlight for you. If you were always interested in buying the Thar but the thought of a cabin which was not very comfortable and lacked features put you off, well, in that case, Mahindra has addressed those issues. But if you think you won't really be off-roading so much with this vehicle, well, in that case, the choice would be completely up to you whether to buy or not to buy Mahindra Thar 2020.